But onto the next item, we do have this UV LED lamp. Here's how it looks. I know the box is pretty big, so I do have to go ahead and kind of get off frames for a sec. Lamp. I'm gonna first remove everything off here. Down there we do have the user manual, as you guys can see. So here's how the lamp looks. In here we do get a USB plug. We do have the option of 10, 30, and 60 seconds. Plus we also back here do have the low power mode option or low heat mode, and we also have the 99 seconds and the double power. Here's how it looks. This lamp does have a matte texture, matte surface, not glossy at all. Inside here, the lamp is black, so it's perfect if I don't want to cure any gels or accidentally apply a little bit of gel here. It shouldn't cure, or it should be able to be, removed pretty easily. Here's how it looks. This base at the bottom also is not removable, it's just like this. Down here we do get this little type of like foam type of thing on the lamp, so it's not moving around the place, so it just stays still. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in, and then I'll be back shortly. So here's how the lamp looks. We do get that automatic sensor once we go ahead and just place our hand under here. As Dubin mentioned, this lamp is 40 watts. I do not recommend anything lower than that, and the highest I recommend is 54. I do have a lamp that I've been using for quite a while, like over a year now, and it's 120 watts, and it's definitely powerful. It definitely does the job so much quicker and faster. But I also noticed that while using it, my hands have gotten darker. I also noticed that my hands have gotten drier, and overall it's just no good. I recommend it if you're doing press-ons, but if you're working on your hands and you're constantly using the lamp, I definitely think over time it definitely, just basically can damage your skin as well. So that is why I only recommend a 40 watt lamp or up to 54 watts.